Hi, this is the first Freddie Green assignment for the jazz guitar chord index. So here's what you're going to do. You have 8 measures. In those 8 measures, you have to play 3-note Freddie Green chords on every beat with the metronome set to 100 beats per minute. I'm going to do an example, and that example is going to be different from your assignment because I want you to find where the roots are going to be. But I'm going to show you the process that I use to figure this stuff out. So here is my example. We have a 2-5-1 in the key of D major. So we have E minor 7, A7, and D major 7. You could play that E minor 7 with the root on the 5th string, right there. You could play it with the root on the 6th string. Either way, you need to figure out where the other chords are going to be on the neck. And the one rule is you want to make them as close together as possible. So if I do my E minor 7 here, there is an A7 right here, but look at how far they are away from each other. You don't want that. The voice leading is not smooth, and it's difficult to go from place to place. So instead of playing an A7 on the 5th string, I'm going to play an A7 on the 6th string. So if we look at the top voices, not much is going on. There's not much moving. And the bass is just playing the root, going down to the root of the next chord. So the same holds true for that last chord, for this D major 7. Instead of playing the D major 7 up here, we're going to play the D major 7 over here. So we have E minor 7, A7, D major 7. Nice and smooth. Now set your metronome to 100. You can either use your finger and your pick, you can use your pick, or you can just use your fingers. But I want you to try to get as close to right in the center of the beat as possible when you play this. You want to be able to lock in with the ride cymbal of the drummer and with the bass player. So I'm going to play it with my pick. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor 7, A7, D major 7. All right. That's the example, but you're going to do that for your 8-measure example. So you need to figure out where the roots are going to be, and then practice going from chord to chord, so you can go from chord to chord at whatever tempo you're going to play it at, and then make sure when you're playing it, you play it nice and soft with your right hand.